हाय गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल्स के एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन एमएस एक्सेल्स कंट्रोल प्लस एस कैन बी यूज्ड टू डैश। ऑप्शंस ए सेव, बी सेव एज, सी स्विच्ड बिटवीन ओपन टैब, डी स्टार्ट्स न्यू वर्कबुक। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए सेव। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in MS Excel's keyboard shortcut key to create a new workbooks is dash. Options A tab plus N, B find plus N, C alt plus N, D control plus N. Right answer is options D control plus N. Next question. In MS Excel, the keyboard shortcut key to open the save as dialog box is options A control plus S, B F2, C control plus N, D F12. Right answer is options D F12. Next question. In MS Excel's workbooks can be closed using keyboard shortcut. Options A control plus C, B control plus W, C escape key, D control plus E. Right answer is options B control plus W. Next question. Dash can be used as a keyboard shortcut key to check spellings in MS Excel. Options A F1, B F7, C F2, D F12. Right answer is options B F7. Next question. Which key is used for helps in MS Excel? Options A F1, B F10, C F2, D Windows plus H. Right answer is options A F1. Next question. Open workbooks can easily be switched using dash. Options A control plus S, B alt plus S, C control plus alt, D control plus tab. Right answer is options D control plus tab. Next question. Dash is the best alternative to MS Excel's offered by Google. Options A Google Slides, B Google Sheets, C Google Files, D Google Keeps. Right answer is options B Google Sheets. Next question. Free online versions of MS Excel is known as options A Office for the web, B Excel's mobile, C Word mobile, D Excel's for the web. Right answer is options D Excel for the web. Next question. MS Excel 2019 has maximum columns width limit is of dash characters. Options A 256, B 512, C 255, D 128. Right answer is options C 255. Next question. Microsoft Excel was first times launched in dash by the Microsoft corporations. Options A 1985, B 1991, C 1995, D 1998. Right answer is options A 1985. Next question. Formulas in MS Excel starts with. Right answer is options D equal. Next question. Dash is a free lightweight version of MS Excel available as part of Office on the web. Options A Excel for the web, B Excel mobile, C Office mobile, D MS Access for web. Right answer is options A Excel for the web. Next question. MS Excel files cannot be directly exported as options A PDF, B TXT, C PPT, D CSV. Right answer is option C PPT. Next question. A file that contains one or more worksheets to organize data is known as options A workbook, B Excel's book, C data sheets, D spreadsheets. Right answer is options A workbook. Next question. How cells are named in MS Excel? Options A using rename options, B simply double clicks on sheet's name, C using name box, D simply double clicks on cells and name it. Right answer is option C using name box. Next question. The intersections of columns and a row in MS Excel's worksheets is known as. Right answer is options B cell. Next question. Microsoft Excel uses the dash functions to calculate the results in the data table. Options A result, B cal tabs, C tables, D auto sum. Right answer is option C table. Next question. Dash is not a function in Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Options A hyperlink, B count if, C minimums, D average. Right answer is options D AVG average. Next question. The dash features of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data. Options A auto filters, B auto completes, C auto fills, D auto sum. Right answer is option C autofill. Next question. Microsoft Excel 2019 has columns limits of dash. Options A 13,684, B 16,384, C 18,634, D 84,163. Right answer is options B 16,384. Next question. MS Excel 2019 has row limits of dash. Options A 10,48,576, B 81,576, C 16,384, D 1,57,648. Right answer is options A 10,48,576. Next question. The intersections of a columns and a row in MS Excel's worksheet is known as. Options A row, B cell, C columns, D tab. Right answer is options B cell. Next question. In MS Excel spreadsheets, data can be stored using options A filters functions, B array functions, C lookup functions, D operator functions. Right answer is options A filter functions. Next question. Which of the following is a popular DOS based spreadsheets package? Options A Word, B Smart Cell, C Excel, D Lotus 123. Right answer is options D Lotus 123. Next question. Excel files has a default extensions of. Options A XLS, B XLW, C WK1, D 123. Right answer is options A XLS. Next question. Which would you choose to create a bar diagram? Options A, edit chart, B, insert chart, C, tools chart, D, format chart. Right answer is options B, insert chart. Next question. Excel uses the dash functions when creating a data table. Options A, count, B, tables, C, average, D, sum. Right answer is options B, table. Next question. In Excel, multiply calculations can be made in a single formula using options A, array formula, B, standard formula, C, smart formula, D, complex formula. Right answer is options A, array formula. Next question. What is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Options A, columns, B, values, C, address, D, cell. Right answer is options D, cell. Thank you.